This jollof rice can make you forget about your name. Oh, I tell you, it came to stay. Hi, my people. Today, this jollof no be joking matter. Oh. The rice is shining. The chicken is misbehaving. Everything fine past my camera. If your stomach starts misbehaving, I dey beg, don't blame me. Blame the aroma. Come make we enter the kitchen and do the magic, the doings. If you smell something nice through your screen, don't panic. It's my oven baked jollof calling your name. I season it well, arrange the chicken beautifully, and today we are cooking rice that will make your taste buds dance. Let's get into it. I have green pepper, bell pepper, tomatoes, onion, rosemary, garlic, fresh ginger. I cut it into dicey. I'm coming to stir fry it. I just added liquid butter to stir fry it so that the juice, the water inside will dry for us to blend for our jollof rice stew. So this is the first step. Keep watching. Guide me, O thou great Jehovah, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but thou art mighty. So this is our chicken now. I've already seasoned and cleaned. So just we are going to season it and cooked so that we can get the stock for our jollof rice. Yeah, we need a little stock from the chicken for our jollof rice. So keep watching. Our chicken now. The salt. This is my lemon ginger. It's all peppers, chicken side, spices. This is blended rosemary. I'm adding lemon juice. I'm adding beef fat. So this is my blended ingredients for our baked jollof rice. You can see. Guide me, O thou great Jehovah, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but thou art mighty. Hold me with thy powerful hand. The chicken is ready. Bread of heaven, feed me till I want no more. We are seasoning the chicken. Bread of heaven, Now we are going to put it in the oven. Feed me now and evermore. We are coming to start the jollof doings. Okay, so now let's prepare our jollof base. This is tomato puree. Let me start this stew gently because once the rice enters its war and glory, we begin with the stew, the rich, loud and dramatic because oven jollof rice doesn't like shyness. This is my blended so starting with the stew, the rice is patiently waiting to join the drama. This stew is the foundation. If it flops, the rice will be disgrace me on my camera right now. So we start with the stew because that's where the flavor signs the contract before the rice arrives. Let's build this stew well. The rice is coming to soak all the drama and mind its business. Please enjoy this Christmas. Enjoy this my funny doings. This is my spices. Yes, so we are still starting. We are making our stew slowly because once the rice joins, the whole kitchen will hear the drama I am cooking. Spices. So I am building this stew like a mansion, layer by layer, because if the base shakes, the rice will embarrass me in 4K. All the peppers. Stew first, rice later. That's how oven jollof rice works. One brings the flavor, so the other brings the attitude. So let me prepare this stew with patience, because when the rice enters the scene, hey, they will start fighting for attention. The doings. So we begin with the stew, rich, loud, and dramatic, because this jollof must enter the oven looking like a celebrity. Starting with the stew today, as we are still doing it. The rice is just backstage, waiting to come and collect its own spotlight. If I joke here, the rice will expose me to the whole internet. So I am building my stew like I'm building my future slowly, because carefully, and with enough pepper so no one stresses me. Do you know that jollof rice always starts from the stew? So if you don't respect the stew, the rice will embarrass you live and colored. Yeah, this stew I'm doing without putting it on fire. It must be rich like December in Accra, so that when the rice enters, everything go balance well. Now the rice go inside. Hey, the rice has entered the stew. Everybody take your portion. The red jollof is about to happen. Rice is entering the stew like a boss, no fear, no shame. Today, we must get the perfect oven jollof rice. Yes. As the rice enter the stew, may everything mix well and not turn into kelewele, bitter leaf rice, and wine chick combination. No. The rice is going inside the rice. This is where the magic starts. All the disgrace starts, we pray for magic. Rice dando enter. From here, it's flavor meeting destiny inside the oven. Let the peace reign. No burning, no fighting. Just sweet jollof rice. Everything is finally mixed nicely. So if this jollof doesn't come out fine, honestly, I will deny it in public. Yes. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn. Was it? I know this is not how you prepare your jollof rice, but remember, everyone has different way of preparing their jollof rice. And you guys can see every day I have different ways of preparing my jollof rice. So if you want to see all my jollof rice I have on my channel. As I have mixed everything, I'm begging the rice to behave yourself. Don't go and be soft on one side and stubborn in other side. Yeah. As I turn this rice, may it not behave like stubborn jollof rice. Let everything mix in peace. I am turning the rice gently, because if I turn it rough, it will turn rough on me inside the oven. So the chicken is entering the scene like a celebrity. I beg, make the rice give it small space. I am also adding my chicken. If this chicken doesn't cooperate, I will fry it again for disrespect. Let's garnish our rice. This is the moment the jollof rice will start feeling like it's soft, like it's going for a photo shoot. Because I miss everything. I am begging the rice, behave yourself. Don't go and be soft on one side and be stubborn on other side. You can see the color. The chicken and the rice is meeting like old friends. Please don't fight. We are on camera. You see the doings. Turning the rice slow. See how I'm accusing myself. They treat me well. I beg. It gives the jollof rice small beauty, because the internet can be harsh. Everything is mixing nicely. You can see it. So if you are still watching, please keep watching. See the taste.
The taste is
Aish.
good. The taste is really, really good. One thing about oven jollof rice, it doesn't burn. Yeah, it doesn't burn. And the taste is great. Well,
One plate and you start speaking fluent jollof rice. If beauty was food, it would be this jollof rice. It tastes